are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Our mics finally came in and I'm so happy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute Easter treat. I use a brownie box mix for this. I thought it would be really sweet if you did this with your kids, or even if you wanted to do it on your own and make them a little bit more fancier, you can. So I just wanted to share that with you. It's super easy but so delicious. I tested this recipe and brought it into my office and everybody loved them. They were so impressed. They were delicious. They looked really cute. So I thought this would be really cute for Easter. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video.
Mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we lay down, it's gonna take us some time, but